Okay, I just wanted to show you how to log on to the science classification game for today. Make sure you're playing it all week. It's going to really help you on the quiz on Friday. Okay, so you go to your Clever page, and then you hit Kay Hoover's page, and then you are going to have this crazy Bitmoji, and it says science classification game. Click that. And then this is where it gets a little tricky. So you need to enable Flash on your computer. So what you're going to do is go up here to this puzzle piece with a red X. Okay, you're going to click that. And then you hit Manage. Okay, so then you are going to toggle this button right here. You just simply click it. Okay, then you go back to the tab that you were on before. Clever. Okay, and then you're going to click that, and then a different thing is going to show up. It looks kind of the same, but it says click to enable. So then you hit this puzzle piece, okay, and then you just hit allow. Okay, and then you're going to play, and I think you guys remember how to play things that live underwater. You click all the things that live underwater, okay? And then it's going to keep asking you more and more. I'm telling you, you need to play this fun game to help you with science this week, okay? Bye.